Welcome to this episode of Black and White Bowling with your guest star, Thad, Chad, and Brad. Yeah.
This would have went pro if it wasn't for my bum knee.
Fuck videos.
I gotta walk.
Oh! Shit, get in there. Get in there.
Should I say Chad?
Fire. This is going right to the fucking projector. Yes! Alright, go. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Yeah! Bag it.
Look at that shit.
Oh! Duped him. We'll see. Wait. Oh! Halfway. I wasn't ready. Yo, Brad, watch out. I get it. You, Chad. Pussy. Yo, put some English on it, buddy. What the fuck was that? Throw some English on it, bro. Suck. Hey, you got it this time, Bucky. There you go. Yeah. Can you take me higher? Fuck. That's it. Every time I get a Pepsi.
I'll let you in on a secret.
It's water.
It's not Pepsi.
Dude walks away from an explosion like that. At the current standings are, your mom. This is a strike. All right. Split this video up. You can't do the whole one clip. How much misses you got? A lot. Yeah. All right, what do I gotta be? I gotta get 4 right here. None. You're still losing at that. You suck. Roger. It doesn't matter. Still in second. Don't have this attire while you're playing bowling, then you're not playing. You're doing something wrong. Alright, it's my turn. Yo, you're a bitch! Ah! You suck! You blow. Hey, you got 55, dog. You won it. We had to change our names because we got in trouble for the last ones. Ricky's now Kyle.
What are you doing? You're
gonna have to restart that one.
Joe is now STI. And I'm Nut. That's what my nuts see. Oh, I wasn't recording. Fuck. Okay, again, we had to change our names because they yelled at us. So I'm now Nut. He is now IHOP, and then this idiot is Kyle because he's stupid. Fuck you doing? Well, I'm Nut. We've determined that I'm not good at bowling, but actually, he is.
Huh?
What?